Good morning to all of you students. From today we will start physics practical experiment number 4, that is sonometer, called as law of length. First of all, what is the aim of this experiment? Now, to study the relation between frequency and length of given wire under constant tension using sonometer apparatus. Sonometer, slotted weights with hanger, set of tuning fork, rubber pad, light paper rider, meter scale. See, this one is the sonometer, wooden block called as sonometer. Second one, slotted weight with hanger. This one is the slotted weight with hanger. Then set of tuning fork. Here is the set of tuning fork. Tuning fork is the source of sound. On this tuning forks, the values of this tuning fork is given there. This one is the 512, this one is 480, 420, 364, and this one is called as the unknown frequency, where the value is to be high. Now see, this one is the diagram of sonometer. This one is called as wooden block. These two knife edges. Okay. In between length of these two knife edges, where the paper rider will be maximum vibrate or fall soft, this length is called as vibrating length, that is L. We have to calculate here. This one is the slotted weight with hangers. What is the theory? This first of all, what is the stationary waves? Stationary waves are the waves which are bounded between two borders or two knife edges. इथे applied frequency, आपण applied केलेली frequency ही दुसऱ्या applied ह्याच्यावर knife edges वरती falls होते, तिथून reflected wave तयार होते. This wave is called as the loops in stationary wave, where A is denoted as antinode, where the maximum displacement of particle performs, and node is the point where the particle are at rest position, where amplitude is 0. N is node where the particle are at rest position. Antinode is the point where the particle vibrates in maximum amplitude. Now, what is the theory? The frequency of stationary transverse vibrations of a stress string is inversely proportional to its vibrating length, when the tension and the mass per unit length of the wire are kept constant. Frequency जसं increase होईल or decrease होईल, length will be increases. That is, N is proportional to 1 upon L. NL is equal to constant. When T and M are constant. T tension constant ठेवतोय, M mass per unit length constant ठेवतोय. When T and M both are constant, then NL is equal to constant. This is the theory of today's experiment. What is the formula? Formula is given for this experiment. N is equal to 1 upon 2L under root T upon M, where N is the frequency of vibrations of the wire, T tension applied to the wire, M is the mass per unit length of the wire, and L is the vibrating length of the wire. इथे आपल्याला प्रत्येक एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये L कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आहे, that is the vibrating length of the given tuning fork. Now, what is the procedure? First of all, set up the sonometer on the table. Okay. Now, stress the wire by placing a suitable, this one is the wire, is placing a suitable load on that hanger. See, this one is the slotted weight hanger to a pulley. Here the tension must kept constant. Okay. Now, add the suitable mass to the hanger on the sonometer wire and keep constant throughout the experiment. This is the main point of this experiment, where the tension kept constant. Now place a paper rider. This one is the small pieces of paper called as paper rider, which is placed in between the two knife edges. See, in this way. Now, place the light paper rider on the wire midway between two knife edges. Okay. Now, take a tuning fork of highest frequency. Highest frequency of this tuning fork is the 512. Strike on a rubber pad. See here, in this way, strike the tuning fork on a rubber pad and set into vibrations. Okay. And put the tuning fork on that table, on that sonometer box. Slowly changes the distance between two knife edges and adjust a paper rider in between, where at a particular distance the paper rider falls off. तुम्ही आता बघितलेलंच आहे की at a particular distance of a tuning fork, paper rider should be maximum vibrate or falls off. And this one is the vibrating length of this given tuning fork. See, where paper rider should be maximum vibrate and falls off. Measure the distance between two knife edges and which is the vibrating length of the wire. Between knife edges distance, measure the distance between two knife edges. Okay. This one is the vibrating length of that given tuning fork. Now see here. First of all, see vibrations. Mass of hanger is the 500 gram. Okay. Total mass 2500 gram. Tension applied to the wire, that is T, is nothing but mass into gravity, that is 2500 into 980 Dye. This one is the observation table to measure the vibrating length. First of all, frequency of tuning fork. Write down descending order of given tuning fork of the set of tuning fork, that is 512. First of all, second 480, third one 426, fourth one 384. This one will be taken descending order of this set of tuning fork. Now, next one, vibrating length of the wire. Now, see here calculated the length of this vibrating length between these two knife edges is the 16.4. Okay. Repeat this procedure one more reading with the same tuning fork and mean vibrating length. Then the next reading will be 17.1 and mean L, that is vibrating length of this wire, is 16.4 plus 17.1 divided by 2, it gets 16.75. This one is the first reading of 512 of tuning fork. Now, 1 upon L, this is the reciprocal of this vibrating length. Using log table, you have to calculate the reciprocal of vibrating length. It must become 0.059. And second one, NL. What is the NL? That is, see the calculation for NL. See here, calculations for first reading. NL, first tuning fork 512, L is the 16.75. Now, this calculation is calculated by using log table. First of all, log 512 is the 2 point, write down, then log 16.75 is the 1 point. Multiplication, calculate this log and calculate anti-log. of this way we get is 8576. This is the final answer of this calculation. NL is equal to 512 into 16.75. Write down this NL in that column, that is 8576. This one is the complete calculation of 512 of first reading of this experiment. Okay. Repeat this procedure with different tuning fork with decreasing order of frequency and note the corresponding length of vibrating wire. Okay. Now, in this way, for 480, it will come 18.4. Second trial is 18.9. Means come 18.55. 1 upon L is nothing but 0.053. And NL is 8904. Third one, for 426, it comes 20.6, then 20.8, mean is come 20.20. 1 upon L is nothing but 0.049 and NL 8605. In this way, we have to calculate 384 4 readings. Now, last one is the unknown frequency. Unknown frequency means for where is the one of the frequency where the value of this tuning fork must be high. Now, see, in this way, same procedure of tuning fork is struck on that rubber pad and put on that sonometer and calculate L dash, that is the vibrating length of unknown frequency. Okay. Now, in this way we have to calculate mean NL. ह्या सगळ्या रिडिंगचा जो मीन NL आहे तो इथे कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा आहे. देन फॉर्म्युला फॉर द अननोन फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज अननोन फ्रिक्वेन्सी N डॅश इज इक्वल टू NL मीन. ह्याचा जो काही मीन येईल तो मीन डिवायडेड बाय L डॅश. L डॅश इज नथिंग बट vibrating length of unknown frequency. Right here, calculate it and calculate the final answer of unknown frequency of the given unknown frequency of vibrating length. And in this way, now see here the result come. This one is the graph against 1 upon L and on the y-axis taking the reciprocal of vibrating length. On x-axis frequency, the nature of graph is straight line passing through origin because of N is proportional to 1 upon L. Result, NL जो काही constant mean constant येईल तो लिहायचा when T and M are kept constant. And the graph of reciprocal of vibrating length against frequency of vibration of wire is straight line, hence N is proportional to 1 upon L. Now, unknown frequency of tuning fork by calculation. It comes 320 Hz. Unknown frequency of tuning fork by graph. We have to calculate by using the formula of graph y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We get the unknown frequency of tuning fork by graph. Okay. In this way, the sonometer first, that is the law of length, this experiment is completed. Then what is the precaution? First of all, काय precaution ठेवायचे? Place the paper rider midway between two knife edges. Paper rider हा दोन knife edgesच्या बरोबर सेंटरला पाहिजे. Place the paper rider in between two knife edges. Okay. Then paper rider should be light and dry. Strike the tuning fork on rubber pad, okay, and place the string of vibrating tuning fork on the sonometer box. This one is the precaution of this experiment. In that way, we have to complete the first experiment, that is the sonometer law of length. Thank you.